Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Calamansi Crinkle Cookies, and so I still have some calamansi left, like half the bottle. And first thing I'm going to do is I have my sugar in here, and I need to work in, I'm going to be using lime zest because calamansi is just like a lime flavor. So I'm going to be putting that in, and then I'm going to be putting in a little bit of my salt. And I'm just going to be working this in with my hands, like this. But yeah, I'm trying to crush this all together so that way the lime flavor is really nice and incorporated. Now in my sugar mixture, I'm going to be adding in these ingredients. First I'll be adding in my melted, unsalted butter. Adding in that first so it doesn't harden up. I'm going to be mixing after I add in each thing. There we go. And then I'll add in my eggs. Mix this. And the only other time I've made crinkle cookies before is when I made ube ones. And I always make those sometimes too. And those are pretty good. And then lastly I'm going to add in my calamansi juice. Oh yeah, I have this too. Adding in that. And then lastly, I'm going to add in my vanilla. So now I have the first part of my dough mixture ready. So I'm going to set that aside for a second. And in this bigger bowl, I have my flour. And then I have my baking soda. Just a little bit put in there. To scoop out the rest. There we go. And I'm just gonna combine these. Willow definitely can't eat any. Go. And now I'm going to be adding in this into my bigger bowl. Now I'm ready to mix this together to start forming my dough. You can see it's really thick mixture. And the recipe I'm using is technically for a lemon crinkle cookie from Preppy Kitchen, but I'm just using like lime instead and the calamansi juice, of course, instead of lemon zest and lemon juice. So the dough is looking really nice. I'm glad I'm using my big whisk. I'm trying to get it all out of here. So my dough is looking really nice. It's starting to form together. And originally I was going to roll the dough into little balls already and put them like on my tray and then chill them. But because it looks pretty sticky and all that, which it's supposed to be, I'm just gonna leave it in the bowl like this, and then I'll chill it. And he actually, Preppy Kitchen, he chilled his overnight, but I'm just gonna chill it for about an hour and we'll see how it looks. So I chilled my cookie dough, and now they're also in ball shape, and I'm going to put them in my powdered sugar, or roll them in there. So I'll start with this one. And then I'll roll them with my hands too to actually form them. But yeah, now they're nice and formed, you can see, but they're not too hard. And then I'm just gonna roll this with my hands. But I just use a cookie scooper for all of these. It makes it a lot easier. But yeah, you can see. And then I'm just using a spoon to help me kind of scoop it on there, and then I'll kind of pat it in. But of course when I bake it, some of the powdered sugar will go away. And the cookies shouldn't spread too much, so I'm just putting them like that far apart. There's a lot of chunks of powdered sugar. So I'm just going to roll the rest of these out, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for, I think, about like 11 minutes. I'll try 11 minutes, see how they are, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the first batch of cookies that's all baked, and then I just finished baking this one. So these ones are hot, and then these ones are pretty cool. So I'm going to put one on a plate. This is what it looks like, so it's nice and browned underneath. You can see the nice crinkle, and it looks really soft inside. Let's see, it looks good. So I think it tastes really good. I'd honestly, if I could, I would have added like a little bit, maybe like more zest, because like in Preppy Kitchen's video, he zested like I think a couple lemons, or even just added a little bit more calamansi juice. But either way, I can still taste the flavor in there, and it tastes really good. I would definitely make these again. They were really easy just to mix everything together, and they didn't take too long to bake as well, and they're really nice and soft. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.